You know, learning English isn't just about career opportunities or global communication. It's also about personal growth. By learning English, you are investing in yourself, your confidence, your ability to express your thoughts clearly, and your understanding of the world.
Sir, can learning English really change the way we see the world?
Yes, Nusrat. When you understand English, you open doors to learning from others. You can read books, listen to podcasts, watch TED Talks, and even join online communities where people share their experiences and ideas. Let's talk about technology. How many of you are excited about new gadgets, apps, or advancements in tech? Well, English plays a huge role here, too. A lot of technology is created and developed in English. Whether it's coding, programming languages, or even just reading user manuals, knowing English is essential in understanding and using technology to its full potential.
So, if I want to build my own app one day, I'll need to understand English.
Exactly. If you want to create something new in the tech world, English will be one of your most important tools. Technology is evolving, and English is at the heart of that revolution. One of the biggest advantages of learning English is the ability to break down language barriers. Think about it. When you speak English, you can travel, study, and work in any English-speaking country without feeling isolated. You can connect with anyone, anywhere.
Sir, does that mean I won't feel shy when meeting new people from other countries?
That's right, Nusrat. You'll feel more comfortable and confident because you'll have the tools to communicate. And once you start practicing, you'll see how quickly you improve. But here's the truth. Learning English takes time and effort. It's not always easy, but the results are worth it. Just like learning any new skill, you need to be persistent. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the journey.
I understand, sir. I'll make sure to keep practicing, no matter how tough it gets.
That's the spirit, Nusrat. Remember, every day is a step forward. The more effort you put in, the more confident you'll become. Social media is another powerful tool. Whether you want to promote your ideas, share your creativity, or even start a business, English is often the language of choice. Many influencers, creators, and entrepreneurs use English to reach a global audience.
So if I want to share my art or ideas with people worldwide, I should use English.
Exactly. English is the language that connects the world on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. If you want your voice to be heard globally, English will help you do just that. Books, articles, scientific papers, so much of the world's knowledge is stored in English. By learning it, you gain access to endless learning opportunities. Whether it's history, science, or literature, English is your key to a vast world of information.
So, if I want to read the latest research or learn new things, knowing English will help?
Yes! English will open doors to so many fields of study. It's the language of discovery. If you want to be a part of groundbreaking innovations and explore new ideas, English will be your guide. Finally, I want to remind you all that every step you take in learning English is an achievement. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every new word you learn, every conversation you have, brings you closer to your goals.
I'm going to keep practicing every day. I feel more confident already.
I'm so glad to hear that, Nusrat. Keep up the great work, and don't forget, learning English is a lifelong journey, and the more you learn, the brighter your future becomes. Remember, students, English isn't just a subject in school. It's a skill for life. It will help you connect, grow, and reach new heights. Keep pushing yourself, and always believe that you can do it. Your future is full of amazing opportunities, and English will help you seize them.
Thank you, sir. I'm ready to take on this challenge.
I'm proud of you, Nusrat. Keep going, and remember, success is just a step away.